All right, how's it going, everyone? I just want to show you a quick little video of how to make some screencasted videos for your students. There's a million videos out there, but this is just a quick little one from someone you might recognize within our school, me. Um, First thing, I like to use Screencast-O-Matic instead of Screencastify. Either one of them work just as good. I like Screencast-O-Matic because I like the app that you can download onto your computer. I feel it just works a little bit better. So first thing you need to do is go on to Chrome. I suggest Chrome and go to Screencast-O-Matic. You can see it right here. This should what your screen is going to look like. Actually, it's going to look like this. Click right here. Sign up for free. I'm already logged into Google. I already have an account with my school account, so I'm logged into my personal account here. But you would use your school account. Click Login with Google. It's going to come up with the typical Google stuff to log into an account. Should walk you right through the process. Pretty easy. Okay. And then just go with the free plan that comes up. You can record right here, video editor. All right. You can do it for 30 days, or you can download the free version right here. I like to download, so you click download, and then it'll download it onto your laptop, onto your MacBook, your school MacBook. You can see it's downloading right here. It's processing. It's almost done. And it'll go into your downloads and just follow that process. So I'll follow up with another video to show you how to use it in a little bit. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you soon.